Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping in. Guys, today I want to take you guys along with me and show you this lovely drink. Nice, very simple recipe. It's very good for health. It's very good for man and woman, and it help our men a lot in the bed. So guys, follow me and I'll show you all the ingredients I use to achieve this lovely drink. So guys, this is the ingredients we are using. Over here is my date fruits, this cinnamon powder, tiger nuts and coconuts. So guys, these are the 4 ingredients we are going to use to prepare the drink. Very healthy and very rich, and it's very nutritious. Okay, it's good for health. It do a lot of things in our lives, in our men lives. It help men a lot in the bed. Guys, give it a try and let me know. If you would let me know, I know you won't tell me. So guys, the tiger nut, you can get it in Amazon or eBay or Holland and Barracks. If you live in UK, they sell it in our African shop here in United Kingdom. In Africa, Nigeria, you can get it everywhere. So guys, let's continue and start blending them now, okay? So I'm adding the tiger nuts now. I'm not going to blend it at once because it's a strong seed, unless the blender will cry for you. So we're going to do it little by little until I finish it all. And I'm using 10 pieces of dates, but make sure that you didn't buy the one that have seed, or if you buy the one with seed, you have to open it and take out the seed out, because you don't need to blend it with the seed. The blender can't blend the seed, so you have to take the seed out. So I'm blending it now. After that, I'm going to sieve it. Now, and I'm using my sieve and my white cloth to sieve it. So guys, do you see how it looks after blending it? I'm going to pour it on the sieve. I'm going to take it now and squeeze the milk out. Guys, let me shift to the camera so that you can see it properly. You can see it's okay now. So guys, so I'm going to take it out now and squeeze the milk out. And after doing that, I'm going to put it back to the blender and blend it to the second time again, so that all the milk can come out very well. Okay, and you know the shaft is very good. Don't get rid of the shaft. After that, dry the shaft. You can use it to drink pap, you can use it to drink custard or Quaker oats. You can even use it to make swallow, and it's very good. So I'm going to blend it again for the second time. So that's how I'm going to continue repeating it until I finish blending it all. Okay guys, can see that the milk is still coming out. That's why I have to blend it second time, so that I'll get all the milks out. So guys, I've finished blending it now. I'm going to add the cinnamon now. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and after that I'm going to mix it properly. But it was taking my time. I used blender to smooth it very well. So guys, it's better you use a blender. If you have power to continue with your hand blender, you can do so, but I use blender and it make it faster for me to get what I want. Okay guys, so guys, do you see how it looks now when I use blender to mix it properly? So it's good you use your blender so that everything can mix properly. Okay, so guys, you can see it, we are finished, and I'm going to turn it into a jug now and put it away and put it in the fridge. You can, if you want to take it straight away, you can put your ice cube and start taking it. If you don't want to take it straight away, just put it in your fridge and leave it to get cold, and you will enjoy your drink. And it's very good to take early in the morning and late in the night, and mostly when you are about to go to bed, so that give it to hubby, so that the hubby will enjoy himself that night. It make them to stay longer in the bed, and it make them to relax their system also. Okay, it's very, very rich and good and very nutritious, and it's good for health. Okay, you can Google it online and you will see all the benefits you can get on this 4 item we use for this drink. Okay guys, so I'm going to test it for you guys now. Okay, do you see how it looks? Do you see how thick and creamish it looks? So guys, it tastes very nice and it cools body. There is the way you would feel after drinking it, guys. Just go and give it a try. I don't need to tell you. Okay guys, so this is end of all the ingredients put together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always being there for me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to thumbs up for me. Okay guys, tell me the next drink you want me to prepare. Bye bye.